Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable your notifications in Wise app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture and now you can see the settings options on in the screen. So once you tap on the settings option, you will be able to see the notifications option at the second. So you need to select that notifications option, and yeah, you will be redirected to the notification page where you can customize your notifications from here manually. And you can see in each notifications there are two options. First one is email and another is push. So simply tap on that switch and yeah, you will be able to enable or disable it manually successfully. And you can see there are lots of options over here, like notifications about where your money is, notifications about your card transaction. And if you want to disable your all the notifications from the Wise app, then simply tap on the switch that is on all the notifications at the top. So once you tap on it, you will be able to disable your notifications in Wise app successfully. So basically this is how you can disable your notifications in Wise app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.